if Drake didn't already have a soundtrack for every emotion in your life. He's now releasing a new playlist this December. In honor of the rapper's 30th birthday, Drake announced on OVO Sound Radio that he will be releasing a playlist in December titled More Life. While Drake discussed doing a little bit of everything from mixtapes to albums, he expressed his want to try something new in making a soundtrack to your life. For other stories, make sure to like our Facebook page and watch more Hollywood Updates.